How's it going, everyone? Hope you're doing well. This is a chapter review for the final exam, so I'm excited that the semester will be over soon, and this gives you a full week to study, and I'm hoping this study guide will help you along the way. So I'm going to kind of go over the things that we've talked about throughout the semester, and it's your opportunity to pause the video or take notes as you can to make sure you know the material. I'll open the final exam here in the next week or so. It's going to be on your course calendar, and then you'll have up until the end of the day when the exam is due to submit it. So more information to come on that. So we're going to have a lot of essays, and part of the essays are defining, critical terms that we've talked about, like empathy, active listening, the types of communication, verbal, nonverbal. Written is another type of communication you should know, clearly about, of course. We're going to talk about how we speak to people and the distance that we need. There's a couple of multiple choice questions in regards to exchanges of communication. Let's see. Some of the questions in this exam as well you've seen on other exams, so make sure you study your prior exams to make sure that you have just a little bit of understanding there. You want to know about APA format, of course, how you cite things, and then information therein. You want to know about your resume, what's important about a resume, the ins and outs of it, why we have a resume. Of course, a cover letter as well. There's quite a bit of questions on APA, so make sure you know that. You also want to know about sentence structure, how to label sentences, noun, pronouns, adverbs, that type of thing. I'm scrolling through to make sure I hadn't missed anything. You want to know what a fragment is, of course, in a sentence. What about an email? What are some key points to an email that's important to know? And that is about it. It's going to be a short final exam, only 30 questions. The most challenging part is the length of writing you'll have to do for the essays. And I'm looking for at least a paragraph for each question. I think that's really important. So be sure to finish your essays in clear, concise manner. Make sure that it's at least a paragraph. And of course, our expectation is, since you've been through this class, that you've improved in writing. So I think overall, everyone will do well. It's not super challenging. I'll have a post here pretty soon with a little bit of information on how to study, but I look forward to seeing your final exam soon. Take this week, relax, study what you can, study for your other exams too. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks so much.